and I want to welcome everybody. This is going to be an experience, so I'm asking for everybody's forgiveness and participation, and let's help make this be successful. This is our Virtual Coaches Institute, and kind of give you an idea of what we're going to try and do. We've got it's a rough agenda. We can adjust it as we go along, as people have more things that they want to discover or not discover. Basically, we're going to spend this first 15 minutes getting everybody comfortable with the environment and introductions. We'll then spend about 45 minutes talking about the challenges of running a team in a virtual environment. So we're assuming everybody is going to be doing some sort of a virtual or half virtual this year. Then we're going to have about an hour talking about the season. What kinds of resources are available, kits of parts. There's kind of interesting things that are going on. Fiona should be here to talk about the agenda for how the season's going to run, what's going to happen on what dates.
John?
Yes.
Zarina Walker is the co-coach for the Thales Academy Knights.
Okay. Let me tell Ben. Coach of Thales. Okay, good. All right. So we're going to have a lunch break because I don't know about y'all, but 5 hours straight on Zoom can be a little bit tiring. So we will take a lunch break, but we'll leave the Zoom up for people to want, comment, kibitz, whatever we want. Then we're going to split into two tracks, and this is going to stay being the track for the 3D modeling. We have a separate Zoom session that is set up for the programming. There's a link to it in the slides, and I will go ahead and post it into the Zoom group chat at that point in time. And then from 2:30 to 3, we either going to be done early, or we're going to have lots of questions for people to ask. That's sort of an open time for people to bring up any additional topics that they had. A couple of things we want to talk about for running the Zoom. We do have a lot of people. I am encouraging you, and I see lots of people are using mute. Please mute when you're not talking. I do have two of my students who are sort of running traffic cop here. They're letting people into the room to try and make sure we don't get people who aren't supposed to be in there. And the other thing that they're doing is, if for some reason someone leaves their mic open and the dog starts barking or whatever, they will mute you remotely. That's no insult intended, unless you got your hand up that says, "Hey, I really want to chat." There's this raise hand, in which case they will not mute you. That means you're just trying to talk, and I'm over talking you. So we want a chance for everybody to participate. There is the chat window, as you can see. You can put things into the chat window. The other thing is, I have another one of our students, Tom, who is taking responsibility for updating these slides live. So if you have something, you see a mistake, you see something you want to add to it, like you have an idea about something, there's a link to something that's useful, post it into the group chat. You can either send it directly to Ben, but just post in the group chat to Tom, is the one that's doing it, with some clear indication that it is indeed a group, that you wanted to go into the slides. And with that, what we're going to want to do is, there's a lot of people that have signed up, and I can see lots of people showing up. Just to give you an idea, there's 24 teams that said that they want to participate here. Not everybody has gotten here. There's 4 teams that have been here since FTC started. It's kind of interesting. I mean, we're talking 13 and 14 years. 2 of the teams, 668 and 731, started before FTC. They started with FVC, and then rest have started with FTC in the very first matches. And Phil, and who's your co-coach? 10 years. Congratulations.
Scott Ilkanons.
Scott, is Scott here?
I'm actually the co-coach. He's the head coach.
So, but yeah, 10 years. Congratulations. Lots of teams in here in the 5 to 9 year range. We got a couple of returning rookies, and then we should have 2 rookie teams here. I know they're at the same school, so it shall be a fun time. And I've built a batch geo. I combine the information, the responses that people have put. There's this spreadsheet that we keep up of all the teams throughout the years, and it gives you a nice little view of how teams have been participating. But when I added everything up, we basically have I currently see that there are 44 teams that have indicated that they're going to be participating this year. And if you go and look at that, they're kind of all throughout the state. A lot of them concentrated in the RTP area, going a little bit to the east and a bit out to the west. So that's what the current map of participation looks like. And I put the link to the batch geo in there. And if we look at everybody who is here, we've got a good gap throughout the state. And what I'm going to ask people to do, and I've realized I forgot to tell Ben, you need to add a column to that spreadsheet. I'd like everybody to practice one thing, which is I'm going to have everybody raise their hand. And then what we're going to do is I'm going to very quickly go to each person and want you to just who you are and who you are and whether you're doing full virtual, partial virtual, or you're meeting full on in team as your team. Does that make sense? So we got an idea of everything that's going on. So what we'll do is everybody go ahead and raise your hand. You know how to find that? That's in the participants. I got a bunch of people raising hand, and I'm just going to start at the, and then what we'll do is I'll call on you, and then go ahead and unmute yourself, tell us, and we'll go on to the next one. Got it? So, Jenny, you're first.
Jean Jacobs, Team 8300, Pyro Eagles in Shelby, North Carolina. We are full on in person.
Wow. Okay.
It works.
Phil?
Phil Salazar, co-captain of the Irrational Doorkeepers 4653. We honestly don't know yet.
Okay. Abi?
Hi, this is Abhi Muthian of FTC 13883, Razzle Dazzle of the Phantasmagazzles. Right now we are all virtual. We might go in person later in fall. Not sure yet.
Okay. Amy?
Hi, Lenore County Public Schools, and Sarah and I are doing 2 teams, and it's our very first time ever, and of course we are all virtual, so we really want to know how to do this.
Excellent. Bradford?
Hey, I'm at Shelby Middle in Shelby, North Carolina, and right now we are still unsure.
Okay. Mike Ward?
Good morning. Smithfield, North Carolina, NUSA 12733. We are unsure. We haven't decided yet what we're going to do.
Okay. Christina?
Hey, I'm Chris Searles. I'm from Salem Academy. We have 2 teams, the Sisters of the Motherboard and Code Sisters, and we are starting off virtual, but hoping to have some hybrid and in-person closer to October.
Excellent. Marielle? And I apologize for mangling names.
I am Marielle White, and I'm one of the coaches for Going Crazy, Team 17373, out of Cary or Apex right now. We are fully virtual at this point. We don't know how things are going to play out until, the governor says otherwise later on. But yeah, it's going to be interesting season.
All right. Zarina?
Hi, I'm Zarina Walker. I'm one of the coaches for the Thales Academy Knights, Team 11424. We are in person currently. And I don't know how long that'll last, obviously, subject to change, but, we're interested in learning as much as possible about how to do this, very different year that none of us have ever seen before, so.
All right. The Forge.
So that's me. I'm Can you hear me, John?
Yes, go.
Sorry, John, I can't change the name. I've tried and tried and tried, and I'm not a coach at the moment. So, but I am working with lots of teams who seem to be mostly virtual at the moment.
Okay. For a couple of people that just joined, please find and raise your hand. I want to get everybody to say who they are. Puneet.
Hey everybody, good morning. This is Puneet Modi, team 9548, highly combustible, based out of Charlotte. As of now, we're starting virtual, but we hope to be running in a mixed mode. So part of the season virtually, and then hopefully we can do some build as a team together. Thank you.
Charlotte.
Hi, I'm Charlotte Kelly at Cary Academy, Team 5270Q, and we have zero idea what we're doing.
Maria Robinson.
Hello, I'm Maria Robinson. I'm at Salem Academy with Christina Sorrells, and I'm with Team 7444, Sisters of the Motherboard. And Chris has already told you what we're doing.
All right, Jeff Reed. He has to find the unmute. Jeff? All right, let's, Bill Healy.
All right.
Oh, wait. Go ahead. Go, Bill.
All right, I'm Bill Healy. I am one of the coaches for 2901 Purple Gears. I was kind of dabbling last year, be a little more involved this year, and we are starting off virtual, and after that, we'll do whatever John tells us.
All right. Jeff, you back?
Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay, cool. I'm Jeff Reed, Critical Overload 12828. Right now, we're all virtual, but we have plans to do a combination of virtual and in-person with small groups going forward.
All right. Anybody else? Oh, Ramesh?
Yes, this is Ramesh. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. I'm a coach of 731. We actually have 4 teams with the early college robotics. We are from Greensboro. Right now, we are in the mixed mode. Since there is 4 teams, every day we are kind of meeting maybe very few kids, about 4 to 5. Each team has about 13, 14 kids. Most of us are, depending on the functions, we are in the facility, so we want to run it in a mixed mode for now.
All right. Anybody else that we missed? Gopal.
Hello, John. This is Rufus.
Oh, okay. Well, go ahead, Rufus.
Go ahead. Go down your list. I'm sorry.
Okay. Who's next?
You got the floor, Rufus. Go.
Oh, yeah. This is Rufus Cradle. I'm out of the Raleigh-Durham area, or Triangle, as we say it, representing the Dream Achievers, the YMCA of the Triangle. We're pretty much trying to come to a decision. We had about 18 members right now, and the parents are still feeling a little uncomfortable as far as allowing their kids to come out and participate. But, on the initial forefront, we're still thinking about those things we can do virtually, such as conducting some virtual training that pertain to the build process, the games, instructions and stuff like that, as well as the programming. So we think we can kind of move on beyond those 3 items probably after a month or so, but we're still trying to come to get some kind of confirmation on what's going to take place after that.
Okay. Gopal?
Yeah, hey, hi there. Good morning. So we are part of the Codebreaker team, and we're going to start with virtual, and then we'll take it from there. We are unsure of right now at this point.
Okay. Clifford.
My name is Clifford Cantrell. I'm a mentor with 8300 Pyro Eagles, and Jeannie's already clued you in on what we're doing.
All right. We got everybody? So, go ahead, Maria.
Oh,
No, you go first.
okay, thanks so much, Maria. So my name is Renato Laucas. I'm one of the coaches for Artificial Stupidity 2827. We're starting hybrid, small groups on campus and a lot of online stuff, but we're starting on hybrid.
Maria?
Mariah Hunter, it's a double name. I'm a coach for Razzle Dazzle 13883, and Abby's probably already clued you in on the circumstances of we're currently virtual and trying to figure out, what we continue doing there and next steps.
Okay. All right. Did we miss anybody?
Yeah, I joined late. Hey, this is Raj here. 16447 Mechanical Maniacs, sort of Apex. We added a few more members to our team, but we are also thinking of going virtual, at least to start with. Don't know what the future holds.
Okay.
Bob?
Who do we miss? Okay, so as a reminder, particularly for the new people, we've got a lot of people here. Please raise hand when you need to speak. That way we make sure, and I see Jeannie wants to speak. Go for it. Or did I not
I
lower
don't know
your
how
hand?
that happened. I think I was showing somebody how to do it.
Okay. So yeah, raise hand will be absolute interrupt. That way we make sure everybody gets a chance to talk.
All right, Bob's currently.
Bob's raising his hand. Okay, there actually is a raise hand icon, but you can raise your hand. That works too.
Oh, really? Where is
Yes.
that? All right, I'll have to find that when I'm not talking. When I'm talking.
These are
Click
participants.
participants, and then you've got options.
Okay, cool. Yeah, hey, I'm Bob Claffey with Team 16-14-7, based here in Waxhaw, just a little south of Charlotte. We've got, I think, 5 team members, maybe a 6. 4 or 5 are comfortable meeting in person, so we'll do that and then include the others if they come or not, virtually. So mostly hybrid.
Yeah, I'm hearing a lot. So I'm hoping everybody's recognizing there's a lot of not sure, and we're going to figure it out. And so I'm hoping that collectively we can share our experiences as we go along to help each other figure it out. But no one's got to figure it out at this point in time. We're gonna do our best to get that discussion going. As a note, reminder for people that just came in, these slides, we're going to make them interactive. So if you have updates, you have other things, other thoughts, post them into the chat. I have one of our students on our team who is live updating, putting them into the slides as we go along. And that way we've got a good collection of notes from things that we've discovered along the way.